Hello students, good evening. Today we are going to study about matrix multiplication, how to multiply the two matrix. So here let me put the heading, matrix multiplication. So how to multiply the two matrices. So for this purpose, I have taken the two matrices A and B. Both are the 3 by 3 matrices. A has 3 rows and 3 columns, and B matrix also has 3 rows and 3 columns. Now for this two matrices, we have to find another matrix C, which is the product of A and B. So here if you see, look at the matrix, I have written row 1 for matrix A, 1, 2, 3 is the row 1, 4, 5, 6 is row 2, and 7, 0, 1 is R3, row 3. And for B matrix, I have written C1, C2, C3. C1 means column 1, -1, -2, -3. C2 means column 2 of matrix B, -4, -5, -6, and C3 is the column 3 for matrix B, that is 2, 1, 0. When I want to multiply two matrices, so A size is 3 by 3 and B matrix size is also 3 by 3. So here, as I said, first 3 in 3 by 3, the first 3 shows the number of rows of A matrix, and the second 3 shows number of columns of the A matrix. And similarly, in B matrix, first 3 shows how many rows are there for B matrix, and the second 3 shows how many columns are there for B matrices. Now, when you multiply the two matrices, one condition you have to remember: the number of columns of first matrix must be same as the number of rows of second matrix. If I want to multiply A and B, the number of columns of A, so there are 3 columns of A, which must be same as the 3 rows of B matrix. Then only the multiplication is same. Instead of 3 by 3, if I consider A matrix as 2, so the number of columns of A is 2 and the number of rows of B is 3. So multiplication is not possible. You cannot multiply A and B. Okay. Instead of 3 by 3, if I take 2 by 3 here, A is 2 by 3 and B is 3 by 3. Still the number of columns of A and the number of rows of B remains same. So multiplication can be done. Okay. So the second number of first matrix and the first number of second matrix must be same, then the matrix multiplication can be done. If it is not, then we cannot do. Now here if you look at the matrices, I given the colors for the rows or columns. There is a purpose for this. Now the first element, as we know, this is A11, C11 element, because I call this as C matrix. C11, that is first row, first column. Then it is C12, first row, second column. C13, C21, C22, C23, and it will go 31, 32, and 33. So to get this matrix, I have to multiply the first row with first column. The first row of A matrix 1, 2, 3 have to be multiplied with the first column of B matrix, that is -1, -2, -3. Let's see how to multiply. 1 into -1. So 1 is multiplying with -1. Then I have to put plus symbol. Then 2 multiplied by -2. Then again plus symbol. 3 multiplied by -3. So the entire row of first matrix will multiply with the entire first column, and between the product you have to put multiplication symbol. Now if I want to go to the second element, first row, second element of C matrix. If you want first row, C12, the element of C matrix which is in the place of 1 by 2. That means the first row of A matrix will multiply with second column of B matrix, that is 1 multiplied by -4 plus 2 multiplied by -5 plus 3 multiplied by -6. Understood? Okay, so one first row and second column. Now this is 1 3 element. 3 1 3. 1 3 means the element is in the place of first row and third column. So that means you have to multiply the first row of A matrix and third column of C matrix. You understand? Okay, so 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 0. So now this is the 2 1 second row first column of C matrix. So as the position itself says C21, so C21 means second row of the first matrix, second row of the first matrix and first column of the second matrix. Now say 4 multiplied by -1 plus 5 multiplied by -5 and plus 6 multiplied by -6. Be careful with the sign plus or minus. So this is C22 second row second column. So second row of A matrix, that is blue color box, and blue color column in the B matrix, both will be multiplied. Okay, so let's see how do you multiply. Oh sorry, here I made the mistake. I think 5 multiplied by 2 and 6 multiplied by -3. Okay. So here 4 multiplied by -4, then 5 multiplied by -5, then 6 multiplied by -6. Then this is C23 element. C23 element means second row of A matrix and third column of B matrix. Okay, the position of the elements itself will suggest you which row and which column I have to multiply. So this element is C23 element. C23 means 2 from second row from the A, third column from B. So which is 4 multiplied by 2. Sorry, 4 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 6 multiplied by 0. 4 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 0. Between these multiplications, you have to put the less sign. Now the position of this number is 3 1, third row, first column of C. So third row of A and the first column of B will be multiplied. See how do you multiply? 7 multiplied by -1 plus 0 multiplied by -2 plus 1 multiplied by -3. 7 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 1 minus 3. Yes. And this one also I have to multiply. This is actually C32 element. C32 element means third row, second column. Third row of A, second column of B. So 7 into -4, 7 into -4 plus 0 into -5, 0 into -5